Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to clear the cache in Firefox. So let's get started. Open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Settings tab. In the left sidebar, choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. Click on Clear Data. Ensure cached web content is selected. Then click Clear to confirm. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you are sure you want to clear the cached content. Click Clear Now. And there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.